Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're doing a series of my girlfriend's new car to her. Now we got some cover sheets, we got some LED lights for her coming in. So it's gonna be like a series of modifying my girlfriend's car. Today, shout out to Coverado, they sent us some cover sheets because as you guys see, I'm gonna put a clip right now. The seats, they need some love. And shout out to Coverado for sending us some cover sheets because they hooked us up. They always do. They hooked me up with my truck. Love them since I put them on. I'll show you guys. I'll put a clip of the truck too. They're like blue cover sheets. Amazing. Love them. And these ones, we're going to open right now and see what they are. They are two-tone gray. Love them. As you guys can see, I'll open them again. I believe they did send me the front and the back. So let's open them and get on to installing the video. Fine. But right here, beautiful. They're like leathers. They're so nice, and I love the two-tone. It's gonna go well with the color because it's like silver and it's like somewhat silver and grayish. So yeah, so shout out to Coverado for hooking it up and hooking it up for the truck. If you guys want, I'll leave a link down in the description. Go check them out, show them some love, and go follow their Instagram page. Alright, we got the car here. As you guys can see, the seats, they need some love. And then same for the back seats. So we're gonna install some cover sheets on it to make it look better. All right, now for the install part, I'm gonna start with the head part. Easier to do. Get that out of the way, and then we'll move on to the back piece of it, back seat. I think. Cut it out. Like I said, it's the easiest part of this install. And the covers are like this. Basically, they just slip on and then you make them tight like this. It's like a diaper basically. You bring it back up. Make sure it's like somewhat tight so it doesn't like wiggle around. Just like that. And over time, the sun hits it. It's trying to look better, like the creases and stuff. But again, shout out to Coverado for sending us beautiful seats. Can't wait to get them on. Alright, I did kind of pre-assemble the seats with these hooks. Coverado sends you out these and then these hooks. And to make it better, they send out an instruction, a picture book. Makes our lives easier to install seats. Alright, for the next part, we're gonna put these on, and as you can see, they're gorgeous. As you can see, like the two-tone with the diamond shape. Love it. I wish I got them on my truck, but it's fine. I got the blue ones. I like the blue ones. Happy with them. Again, I'll put another clip just to show you guys how beautiful they are. But yeah, again, I can't thank Coverado for sending me these beautiful seats again. Probably said it 1,000 times right now, but shout out to them for sending me these cover sheets. Let's get on installing. Got it in. I don't know if you can see, but I got it in. Gotta make it like secure down there. But I'm gonna put the bottom seat and then we'll go there. Alright, got the correct piece. This is the bottom for the front too. That's how it looks. So let's install this. Alright, so we got this front driver seat. Perfect fit. The diamond stitching. Perfect. And over time, the sun hits it, it's gonna like, it melts to your sheet. I got this in, that one in. Makes the car look brand new basically. And here's how it looks from the outside. Perfect. And now the back seats. Alright, so I made a layout of the back seats. This is like the bottom pieces. That's the top pieces. Headrest, headrest, headrest. Let's install it in the car. Alright, to make our life easier, we did take off this back seat. As you guys can see, there's a good amount of stains. And now we're gonna put this on like this. Way better, cleaner, diamond stitching. So yeah, the reason I took it off, it's easier for us to install instead of in there with weather being like 80 degrees, us sweating. Better like this. Alright guys, we just finished the install. That took about 30-ish minutes. I just showed you guys the front seat, but this is how they look. Nice leather, diamond stitch leather. Again, shout out to Coverado, big thanks to them. This was episode 1 of not modifying, but making my girlfriend's car look better. We'll say that. Cover sheets, the front seats, and this is how the back seats look. Yeah, it's really nice leather. I wish you guys could touch it and like feel the leather, but you guys can't reach through the screen. But that's how it looks. Make the car look 10 times better. I'll put before and after pictures or videos to see whatever looks good. Again, shout out to Coverado for this episode, sponsoring this episode. See you guys later.